So yesterday I was feeling a lot of emotions. I was definitely nervous. New environment, new people, new studies.
The night before I could barely sleep. I was so excited.
It took me the whole week basically to get prepared for this one day. This is my first time going to school in over a year and a half.
I'm sure you guys are pretty nervous. You've got a lot of feelings of excitement going on.
I was running around, I was like, oh, I hope I'm prepared. I hope I fit in the mold.
We're not here just to teach you a program. We want you to thrive inside of it.
It's very welcoming, and you can tell the community they have here. They have high energy, which makes it a lot easier on a long day.
We are going to give you guys a tour of your campus. Does that sound good? Let's do it.
This is my favorite part. This is the fun part.
We're gonna mosey around this all here. This is where all the secret magic happens and keeps everything running and clean and flowing. I know, laundry, not a big thing. I hate doing it at home, but
I definitely feel calmer and just safer because I met majority of the teachers and I got a good look around the school.
now the really fun part. We're gonna hit the clinics. Hi, corporate. Hi, corporate. Here we enter into our clinic. Our clinic spans the entire front, so you have beautiful sunlight to do all your work and take your photos. So this is gonna be a mix right here between our barber clinic on here, and then the rest spans into our cos clinic. So we're gonna loop this way, and from there, we've ended up right back where we started.
Stay in school, kids.
We are so excited to have you here. We can't wait to help you on your journey in becoming a future professional. So welcome.